Hallway.
What spaces did we have to do this week?
Okay, let me get the list.
Just...
Fix the...
Wait a minute.
It is...
ginormous.
It is...
Everything. We had to finish the interior of the entire house.
Oh, wow.
We finally got you.
What do you mean?
Well, what do I mean?
What do you...
Well, you basically got about 10 hours of work in 1 hour. Can't use power tools after tools down.
I know that.
You can't glue architraves on, we need nails.
Yep.
That noise there is going to wake up neighbours.
Yep, we don't want that.
You haven't even got any doors on here. There's 2 hours, 2 hours. Architraves are about an hour each.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skirting, you've probably got about 2 hours. And we've only got 45 minutes left in the day.
I know.
How do you actually fit your door onto here? Onto that? How do you fit your door onto that?
Yeah.
Without using a hammer or without using a nail gun? You can't, mate.
Yep. Yeah, you're right, you got me. You got me. I'm done.
This rate, sweets, we won't be
I know
finishing.
we're not going to finish.
So
I know
I don't
we're
really
not.
give a
That
I
all
care
day.
about the fact that there's all over the carpet.
The big question is, will anybody finish?
Now, you're a project manager. How have you let this happen? Week one, we showed you all the RL over there.
Yep.
You should be checking over this. Now, they're good chippies and good builders, but your job is that, to check over.
I don't know how it happened in the end.
That's your job. You're a project manager.
Yeah, well, we did check it, so...
This is about 8 hours worth to fix this.
No, I don't think it's going to take that long.
What, glue? All them sheets are nailed and glued. You've got to rip all them up. You're going to have to buzz them all down.
No, we'll get it done.
I hope you get it done, but do you care? Do you even care about this?
Mate, I can already see, without even getting close to it, this one's wrong as well.
Oh, no.
I can already see it. Like, once we put a tile down on top of this... Well,
Dan and Carleen have also built their floor too high.
The RL's
what have you done?
Finished floor levels out. Is Dan here?
What are they doing?
Yeah. Major issue, mate. Major.
What?
Mate, this whole area is the wrong height.
Finished floor levels there. Look at when you put the tile.
Look what happens, mate. You put your tile down, don't forget glue's going to go under it, so it's going to be worse. Doesn't work.
The whole floor.
Whole floor, whole area.
Keith and Dan told us that our floor level was above where it should be.
This is all going to get ripped up in here, regardless.
Got to rip it up.
Yeah.
Well, it's 15 mil too high.
The words were, rip up your floor. It's not to the level we need. Oh, well, if you've got to rip the whole floor up, might as well go home.
Wow.
Entering into your apartment, Darren's reaction was one you might be expecting to hear. He said, well...
That's disappointing.
Shona got right into the positive, saying, I love the panelling in here.
This is perfection of panelling, cornicing.
The lights down the hallway are the perfect choice.
They loop in together like...
So amazing. Look at that lovely pattern on the floor.
Yeah.
They love the timber floors. They literally couldn't see anything they didn't like except the lack of paint.
Seriously, the stairs are a mess. We've got glass not there, plaster still not finished, architraves, doors that don't have any paint on them whatsoever.
If ever there was a week when I would have loved to have been a fly on the wall, it was this week.
The judges now had some feedback for me. Oh. What?
I think it's fair to say that Scotty's bitten off more than they could chew. Yeah.
Yeah, I suppose I'll cop that. Geez, I don't like getting bad feedback. It's terrible.